Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine. It's me Pramod. This is my first video for class 7 on mathematics. I've tried my best effort in sharing my knowledge with you. I hope you will like my video. So please stay with me till the end of this video. Today we are going to study the laws of indices. Let's take an example of an algebraic term 5x power 3. As we know that this numerical part which is in front of the algebraic term is called quotient. And the variable part is called base. And the number which is raised above the base is called power. And the another word of power is index. And what is indices? Indices is the plural of index. Singular index, plural indices. Like in English, the plural of book is books. Similarly, in math, the plural of index is called indices. Index is also called as exponent in another word. So, the laws of indices are the certain rules for simplifying the calculation or expressions involving the powers of the same bases. Now we are going to study the laws of indices. There are mainly 5 laws of indices. There are some other laws of indices also, but today we are going to study mainly the 5 laws of indices. Let's see. The first law of indices is product law of indices. Product law of indices states that when same bases are multiplied, then their powers are always added. Let's say an example, x power 3 into x power 5. Here we can see that the bases are same, so their powers are added. X power 3 plus 5. We will get x power 8. Similarly, 5 power 4 into 5 power 6. The bases are same, so their powers are added. 5 power 4 plus 6. We will get 5 power 10. But remember, if the bases are different, then their powers cannot be added. For example, 5 power 3 into 6 power 4. Now product law of indices does not hold in such condition. The second law of indices is quotient law. You can say quotient law of indices or simply quotient law. So the quotient law of indices states that when same bases are divided, then their powers are always subtracted. Let's see an example. X power 5 divided by x power 2. We can write it as x power 5 by x power 2. Since there are same bases, so we can subtract the power. X power 5, now 2 will be subtracted from 5. X power 3. Similarly, 5 power 7 divided by 5 power 3. We can write it as 5 power 7 by 5 power 3. Since bases are same, so we shall subtract the power. 5 power 7 minus 3. The 3 would go to become subtracted from 7. 5 power 4. Now what shall we do? If we get a condition like this, x power 2 divided by x power 5. Here x power 5 was divided by x power 2. Here x power 2 is divided by x power 5. We can write it as x power 2 by x power 5. We can see that here the power 5 was greater and it was in the numerator. Power 2 was smaller and it was in the denominator, and this power 2 had gone to become subtracted from power 5. Similarly, here also the power 2 shall go and become subtracted from x power 5. Let's see. So when this power 2 shall come below to become subtracted from this power 5, then in the numerator there would be nothing. We have to write 1. 1 by x power 5, power 2 shall become subtracted from power 5, power 5 minus 2, we can write it as 1 by x power 3. Let's see some examples. A power 3 by a. Here simply a means there is power 1. So this power 3 is greater than power 1. So from 3 power 1 will be subtracted. We can write it as a power 3 minus 1. We will get a power 2. Here m power 3 by m power 7. 7 is greater than power 3. So power 3 will be subtracted from power 7. So we can write it as 1 by m power 7 minus 3. 1 by m power 4. Let's see here. We can write it as m power 6 by m power 9. Here also power 9 is greater than power 6. So power 6 will come down to become subtracted from power 9, and we can write it as 1 by m power 9 minus 6. We would get 1 by m power 3. The third law is power law of indices. The power law of indices states that a base with a power has another power, then the powers are always multiplied. Let's see an example. X power 2, it has another power, then these powers are always multiplied. We can write it as x power 2 into 3. We would get x power 6. So how did it come? Let's see. Let's remember the product law as we have studied. When same bases are multiplied, then their powers are added. X power 2, its power is 3. So we can write it as x power 2 into x power 2 into x power 2. Since x power 2 is expressed 3 times, the power of x power 2 is 3. So x power 2 into x power 2 into x power 2. So let's follow here the product law. X power 2 plus 2 plus 2, we got x power 6. So it is based upon the product law of indices. Let's see another example. 5 power 3 power 4. We can multiply the power. 5 power 3 into 4, 5 power 12. Similarly, if two bases are under the same power, then if they want to become separate, then both shall take this power. Now I want to separate this x and y. I can write as x power 3 into y power 3. This power 3 belongs to x as well as y. So both bases shall take the power. Now let's take another example. A power 5 into b power 5. Now if they want to unite, then they shall stay under the same power. Since these both have got same power, so these both shall stay under the same power. If they want to become separate, each will take the power separately, and if they want to become united, they shall stay under the same bracket with the same power. In the same way, if two bases are there and they are divided, and if they are under the same power, and if they want to become separate, both the base shall take the power. Similarly, if two different bases have got the same power, power A, it also has got the power A. And if they want to stay under the same bracket, then they can stay inside the same bracket with the common power a. Now the fourth law is law of zero index. That is, what happens if the power is 0? Law of zero index states that a base having power 0 is equal to 1. That is, the whole value becomes 1. X power 0, we can write this whole value as 1. 5 power 0, 1. 1000 power 0 is also equal to 1. Now let's prove why the base with power 0 is equal to 1. Let's prove the law of zero index. As we know that x by x is equal to 1. We know 5 by 5 is equal to 1, 2 by 2 equal to 1, 7 by 7 equal to 1. Similarly, x by x is equal to 1. Or, what is the power of x? The power of x is 1. Similarly, here also the power of x is 1. Now, here the bases are same. Now the powers can be subtracted. X power 1 minus 1. This equal to 1, we will write as it is. Therefore, x power 1 minus 1 we can write as x power 0, which is equal to 1. So from here we can say that any base having power 0 is equal to 1. That is, its whole value will be equal to 1. The fifth law is law of negative index. Negative index, that is the negative power. Let's understand this by some examples. If a base has got negative power, x power minus 5, and if I change the position of this base, right now the position of this x power minus 5 is in the numerator. We can write x power minus 5 as x power minus 5 by 1. If I take this x power minus 5 in the denominator, then the sign of this power will be altered. That is, I can write this as 1 by x power plus 5. Similarly, if any base is in the denominator with power minus, then it can be taken in the numerator and alter its power. That is, alter the sign of the power. Let's see an example. 3 by 5 power minus 2. If I take this 5 power minus 2 in the numerator, then the sign of this 2 will be altered. I can write this as 3 as it is. 5 power minus 2 will go up in the numerator and become 5 power plus 2. Similarly, if there are two bases, that is, one base is in the numerator and another base is in the denominator with negative powers. Let's see. X power minus 5 by y power minus 2. If I take this x power minus 5 in the denominator, then the sign of this 5 will be altered. That with minus 5 will become plus 5. And if I take y power minus 2 in the numerator, then minus 2 becomes plus 2. Y power minus 2 will go in the numerator. It will become y power plus 2 by x power minus 5 will come in the denominator and it will become x power plus 5. Similarly, if two bases are under the same bracket, x by y, they are under the same bracket with power minus 3. Now if I change the position of these bases, if y will go in the numerator and x will come in the denominator, y by x, then the power will be, the sign of the power will be altered. I can write this as plus 3. So x by y whole bracket power minus 3 can be written as y by x power plus 3. This is called law of negative index. Now let's do the exercise. Exercise 8.2, section B, question number 1. Factorize the following numbers and express them in the exponential form. Exponential form, that is in the power form. We shall factorize this number at first and we shall change it in the power form. Let's factorize 32 to 16 the 32, to 8 the 16, to 4 the 8, to 2 the 4. So 32 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. We can see that every 2 has got power 1. No power indicates the power is 1. So follow the product law. Product law says that if the same bases are multiplied, then their powers are added. So 2 power 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 2 power 5. Let's see the next question. Factorize 81. 3 to the 6, 3 7 the 21, 3 9 the 3 3 the. So 81 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Here the powers are 1 and the same bases are multiplied, then their powers are added. 3 power 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 power 5. Question number C. Factorize 128. To 6 the 12, to 4 the 8, to 3 the 6, to 2 the 4, to 1 the 2, to 6 the 12, to 8 the 16, to 4 the 8, to 2 the 4. So 128 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also the powers are 1 and the bases are same. When same bases are multiplied, their powers can be added. You can directly write down 2 power 7. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can directly write down 2 power 7. Let's see in this question. Factorize 243. 3 is the 24, 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6, 3 7 the 21, 3 9 the 27, 3 3 the 9. So 243 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. The powers are 1 here. So it can be written as 3 power 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5. So 243 can be written as 3 power 5. Factorize 216. I know that most of the students, they will do mistake while factorizing. They write as 2 1s are 2 and they write 2 8s are 16. But remember, you cannot take the 2 digit in the second step. In the first step, you can take 2 digits. But in the second step, you are allowed to take only 1 digit. If you want to take both digits, then you should keep as 0. Then only you are allowed to take both digits. So 2 1s are 2, 2 0s are 0. Okay. 2 8s are 16. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. Let's factorize it. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 2 power 1, 2 power 1, 2 power 1. So the same bases are multiplied. So their powers are added. 2 power 3, into, here also the bases are same, so their powers are added. 3 power 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 power 3. Since these both base have got same power, so they can be kept under the same bracket. Remember, in power law we had studied, if two bases have same power, then they can be kept under same bracket with a common power. So 2 into 3, 6 power 3. This is our answer. Let's understand this part again. If two different bases have same power, then they can be written inside the same bracket with a common power. Like a power m into b power m. Different bases are there and they have same power, then they can be written inside the same bracket and the power are taken common. Let's in this question 625. Let's factorize. 5 1 is 5, carry 1, 5 2 is 10, 5 5 is 25. 5 2 is 10, 5 5 is 25, 5 5 is 25. So 625 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. The powers are 1 at the power 5 power 4. This is our answer. Question number 2. Express the following numbers as the products of power of 10. That is, we have to express these given numbers in the power of 10. So to express them in the power of 10, we have to break this number and separate 3. That is, we have to factorize this number by separating 3. Let's see here. 300 can be written as 3 into 100. I separated 3. So 3 into 100 can be written as 10 into 10. So it becomes 3 into 10 power 2. Same base, powers are added, 1 plus 1, 10 power 2. Or you can simply write down 3 into 100 directly. From here, directly you can write down 3 into 10 power 2. If you don't write, you can omit this part. Let's see this. 3000. It can be written as 3 into 1000. So 3 into 10 into 10 into 10. 3 into 10 power 3. 30,000. It can be written as 3 into 10,000. 3 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, which can be written as 3 into 10 power 4. 3 lakh. It can be written as 3 into 1 lakh. It can be further written into 3 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, and we can write it as 3 into 10 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 power 5. Question number 3. Find the products in their exponential form. That is, we'll find them in the exponential form, in the power form. Let's see. The bases are same here and the powers are 1. No powers indicates the power is 1. Since the bases are same, so their powers are added. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 2 power 5. Let's see this question. Here also the bases are same. All the bases are 3. So we shall apply here the product law. The product law says if the same bases are multiplied, then their powers can be added. So let's add the power. Here the power is 1. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 3 power 6. Okay, question number C. Here we can see that the bases are different. So we cannot add the power directly. And we have to change in the exponential form. To change in the exponential form, we have to add the power. But since the bases are different, so we cannot add the power. Now our main thing is to make these three bases in the same base. Let's see which one is the least base. The smallest base is 2. That is, I have to convert this 8 and 4 in the base 2. So it can be written as 2 power 3. 2 power 3, 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Now I can write this 4 at 2 power 2. Remember, there is one more power here. So don't treat this power and this power as same. This power 2 we obtain by making 4 as 2 square. So this 4 is 2 square. And there is one more power. Write this power into 2 cube as it is. The 2 power 3 into, as we have learned in the power law, that this power and this power can be multiplied. So 2 power 2 into 2. These both powers are multiplied and we got 2 power 4 into 2 power 3. Now we got the same base. That is, we can add the power. Add the power 3 plus 4 plus 3 to power 10. Now let's see the next question. Here also the bases are different. Now we have to convert these three bases in the same base. What is the smallest base? The smallest base is 3. That is, I have to convert this 9 and 27 in the base 3. 3 square will remain as it is. 9 can be written as 3 square. This 9 means 3 square, and here one more square is left. Keep it inside the bracket, square, into 27 can be written as 3 power 3. 3 into 3 into 3, 27. So 27 can be written as 3 power 3, and here is one more power. Keep inside this bracket and power 2. 3 power 2 into, the powers are multiplied according to the power law. 3 power 2 into 2, 4 into, here also the powers are multiplied, 3 power 6. We got the same base. Now we can add the power. 3 power 2 plus 4 plus 6 equal to 3 power 12. Okay, question number E. Here we can see that inside the bracket there is 2x. Here also inside the bracket there is 2x. Here also inside the bracket there is 2x. Means we can consider this bracket 2x as a base. Bracket 2x base, bracket 2x base, bracket 2x base. And when same bases are multiplied, then their powers can be added. So this bracket 2x became base, same bases, add the power. 3 plus 7 minus 2. Bracket 2x, 3 plus 7, 10 minus 2. 2x bracket power 8. Question number F. This question is also similar to question number E. A by 2, A by 2, A by 2. Now they are same base. Now we shall consider this A by 2 as a base. So same base, when they are multiplied, then their powers are added. Bracket A by 2 at the power 5 minus 1 plus 4. So A by 2 bracket 5 plus 4, 9 minus 1 equal to A by 2 bracket power 8. This is our answer. Question number 4. Find the quotients in their exponential form. Let's say here, it can be written as 2 power 8 divided by 2 power 3. Same bases are here, so we can subtract the power. Now, power 3 shall be subtracted from power 8. So we can write it as 2 power 8 minus 3. Remember the quotient law of indices, we shall apply that law here. So 2 power 5. Now the next question, 5 power 10 by 5 power 3. Here also apply the quotient law of indices. 5 power 10, 5 power 3, power 3 is less, so this power 3 shall be subtracted from the power 10. So we can write it as 5 power 10 minus 3. So 5 power 7. Question number C. Bracket 3x power 7 divided by bracket 3x power 2. Now this bracket 3x will be the base. We shall consider this bracket 3x as a single base. Bracket 3x power 7 divided by bracket 3x power 2. When same bases are divided, then their powers are subtracted. So we can write it as 3x power 7 minus 2 equal to 3x bracket power 5. So take care not to leave this bracket. If you leave the bracket, it will be considered wrong. Similarly here, bracket 2p, bracket 2p. Now bracket 2p will be considered as the base. So bracket 2p power 4 divided by bracket 2p power minus 3. Now when same bases are divided, then the power shall be subtracted. But here the power is in negative. So when this negative sign will be subtracted, when this minus 3 will be subtracted from 4, then this minus 3 will be plus 3. So 2p power 4. Now minus 3 will go to become subtracted from plus 4, and since 3 is already in minus, so it will be plus 3 equal to 2p bracket power 7. Question number E. 4 power 5 divided by 2 power 4. It can be written as 4 power 5 by 2 power 4. We can see that the bases are different. Now we have to make these both in the same base. These both should be in the same base so that we can follow the quotient law. Now I shall convert this 4 in the base 2. I can write this 4 as 2 power 2. 2 square, 2 into 2, 4 bracket, and here is another power 5 by this 2 power 4 shall remain as it is. Now this power 2 and this power 5 shall multiply according to the power law of indices. So I can write it as 2 power 2 5 is 10 by 2 power 4. Now I can apply here the quotient law of indices. When same bases are multiplied, then their powers are subtracted equal to 2 power 10 minus 4 equal to 2 power 6. So similarly, here also we should convert this both base in the same base, 27 power 4 by 3 power 6. Now I shall convert this 27 in the base 3. So 27 can be written as 3 power 3. 3 into 3 into 3, 27. And here is another power also. I shall write this in bracket power 4 by 3 power 6 equal to, now the powers are multiplied according to the power law of indices. 3 power 3 4 is 12 by 3 power 6 equal to, now we shall follow here the quotient law of indices. When same bases are when same bases are divided, then the powers are subtracted. So 3 power 12 minus 6 equal to 3 power 6. The next question, 2 by 5 bracket power 9 divided by 2 by 5 bracket power 3. Now bracket 2 by 5 is considered as base, same base, and when same bases are divided, then the powers are subtracted. So we can write it as 2 by 5 power 9. Since 2 by 5 power 9 is in the denominator, in the numerator, so 3 will be subtracted from 9. So 2 by 5 bracket 9 minus 3. 2 by 5 bracket power 6 answer. Now this question can be done in this way also. 2 by 5 power 9 divided by 2 by 5 power 3. Same base, and where same bases are divided, then the powers are subtracted. So 2 by 5 bracket 9 minus 3. So we can write it as 2 by 5 power 6. We'll get the same answer. Question number H. Let's see here. Here the bases are different. Now we have to convert these both bases in the same base. We have to make these both bases same. 8 can be written as 2 power 3. Since here is 2, so this 8 should be converted in the base 2. And 27 can be written as 3 power 3. Since here is 3, so this 27 should be converted in the base 3. Bracket power 5 divided by 2 by 3 bracket power 7. Now this power shall be common power. This power shall be common and this power shall go outside and multiply with 5. So I can write it as 2 by 3 bracket, this power shall be common, go outside and multiply. 3 5s are 15 divided by 2 by 3 power 7. Now we got the same base, and when same bases are divided, then the powers are subtracted. Now we can write it as 2 by 3 bracket 15 minus 7. 2 by 3 bracket 8. Question number 5. Find the quotients in their exponential form. This is similar to question number 4. Let's see. 2 power 4 divided by 2 power 9. It can be written as 2 power 4 by 2 power 9. Same bases, and when same bases are divided, the power is subtracted. That is, the smaller power shall be subtracted from the greater power. Here 4 is smaller power, so now 4 will be subtracted from power 9. That is, this will go down and become subtracted from power 9. So when it will go down, in numerator there shall be 1 by 2 power 9 minus 4. So 1 by 2 power 9 minus 4, 5. So 1 by 2 power 5 is the answer. Similarly, let us see this question. It can be written as 3 power 3 by 3 power 10. Now this power shall be subtracted from power 10. 1 by 3 power 10 minus 3 equal to 1 by 3 power 7. These questions can be done in this way also. If you like, you can take this power 9 and subtract from 4. 2 power 4, 9 will go up and become subtracted from power 9. 2 power 4 minus 9 equal to 2 power minus 5. And as we know from the law of negative index, when we change the place of the base, then the sign of the power is altered. So it can be written as 1 by 2 power plus 5. So you can do in this way also. Similarly, let's say this. This also can be done in this way. 3 power 3 minus 10 equal to 3 power minus 7. And from the law of negative index, 1 by 3 power 7. The sign of the power is altered. So either you can follow this method or this method. It is the same. Question number C. 5a power 4 bracket 5a power 4 divided by bracket 5a power 8. Now here our base is bracket 5a. Now this power is smaller. Now this power will be subtracted from greater power 8. So in the numerator there shall be nothing, that is 1 by bracket 5a. Do not forget to write bracket power 8 minus 4. Since these are same base, we have considered this bracket 5a as a single base. So when same bases are divided, the smaller power shall be subtracted from greater power. So 1 by bracket 5a power 8 minus 4. We shall get 1 by 5a in bracket power 4. Now let's see this question. Similar to this question, bracket 4x power minus 3 by bracket 4x power 7. As we can see that minus 3 is smaller in comparison to 7. So this minus shall go here and become subtracted from 7. And when minus 3 subtracted, then it will be converted into plus 3. So it can be written as 1 by 4x bracket 7 minus and again minus 3. So it will be 7 plus 3 equal to 1 by 4x in bracket 7 plus 3, 10. The next question, 2 power 3 divided by 4 power 3. It can be written as 2 power 3 by 4 power 3. As we can see that there are different bases. Now these different bases should be made into same bases. So 2 power 3 as it is, and this 4 can be written as 2 power 2. Since 2 square is equal to 4, and there is another power also. So let's write this in bracket and power 3. 2 power 3 by, from power law of indices, this power 2 and this power 3 can be multiplied. So 2 into 3, 6. Now we have converted this both into same bases. Now this small power shall be subtracted from this greater power. So this power 3 shall go and become subtracted from power 6. Now 1 by 2 power 6 minus 3 equal to 1 by 2 power 3. Now let's see this question. This question is also similar to this question. 3 power 5 by 9 power 4. Different bases. Let's make them into same bases. 3 power 5 by 9 can be written as 3 power 2. That is 3 square is equal to 9. Bracket. Now this power 4. 3 power 5 by power law of indices. 2 4 is 8. 3 power 8 equal to, now this small power shall be subtracted from this greater power. Since we have got the same base now, we can subtract 5 from 8. So 1 by 3 power 8 minus 5 equal to 1 by 3 power 3. This is our answer. Question number G. 5 square divided by 25 cube. It can be written as 5 power 2 by 25 power 3. Here also the bases are different. Let's make them into same bases. 5 square as it is by 25 can be written as 5 square. 5 square is equal to 25 bracket power 3. Don't forget to write this power. 5 square by 5. The power shall multiply according to the power law of indices. 2 3 the 6 equal to. Now we have got the same bases. Now 2 shall be subtracted from the power 6. 1 by 5 power 6 minus 2 equal to 1 by 5 power 4. Now let's see the next question. 4 by 16 square. Convert them into same bases. 4 by 16 can be written as 4 square, bracket, again another power is there. That's right here. 4 by 4, power law of indices, 2 to the 4, 4 power 4 equal to, now here 4 has got the power 1 and here 4 has got the power 4. Now this power 1 shall be subtracted from this power 4 since they are same bases. When same bases are divided, then the powers are subtracted, as we know that. So 1 by 4 power 4 minus power 1 equal to 1 by 4 power 3. Question number 6, evaluate. Evaluate means to find out the value. Let's find out the value. Question number A, 9 power 1 by 2. As we can see that the power is given in fraction. And if the power is given in fraction, it will be difficult for us to find out the value. So we shall change this fraction into whole number. So how shall we change? Convert 9 into the base containing the power 2. So 9 can be written as 3 power 2 bracket power 1 by 2, which is already there. Now from the power law of indices, this power can be multiplied 3 power 2 into 1 by 2. This 2 and this 2 can be cancelled. 2 into 1 by 2. It can be written as 2 into 1, 2 by 2, 2 by 2 can be cancelled. In the same way, 2 into 1 by 2, this 2 and this 2 can be cancelled. We got 3 power 1, that is 3, which is the value. Now the second question, 16 power 1 by 4. I have to convert this 16 into the base that contains the power 4. Let's factorize 16. 2 8 the 16, 2 4 the 8, 2 2 the 4. So 16 can be written as 2 power 4. 2 power 4 bracket power 1 by 4. According to the power law of indices, we can multiply power 4 and power 1 by 4. That is 2 power 4 into 1 by 4. This 4 and this 4 can be cancelled since this 4 is in denominator and this 4 is in numerator. So we can cancel them. We will get 2 power 1, that is 2. The next question, 8 by 27 bracket power 1 by 3. Now I have to convert these two bases in the base that contains the power 3. So 8 can be written as 2 power 3 because I have to cancel the 3. And 27 can be written as 3 power 3 bracket power 1 by 3. Now we shall take this power 3, the common power, and the common power will go outside and multiply with 1 by 3. So it can be written as 2 by 3 bracket, now power 3 became common, it will go outside and it will multiply 1 by 3. As we know that a power m by b power m can be written as a by b, and power m can be written common by writing them in bracket. Similarly here 2 by 3 by 3 by 3, powers are common. See here, the powers being common, they will go outside and keep a by b under the same bracket. In the same way, this power 3 shall become common and keep 2 by 3 under the same bracket, and this 3 shall go outside and multiply with 1 by 3. This 3 and this 3 shall be cancelled, equal to 2 by 3. It is our answer. Question number D, similar to question number C. Here in the denominator of the power there is 2. I have to convert this 9 and 16 in the base containing the power 2. So 9 can be written as 3 power 2, that is 3 square, and 16 can be written as 4 power 2, that is 4 square. bracket power 1 by 2. Now we can take these powers common. So 3 by 4, these two powers shall be common. It shall go outside. 2 into 1 by 2. These two and these two can be cancelled. 3 by 4. The next question, 27 by 125 bracket power 2 by 3. Now in the power there is 2 as well as 3. We shall ignore these 2 and focus only upon 3 because I have to cancel this 3. Now I have to convert this 27 and 125 into the base containing the power 3. So 27 can be written as 3 power 3 by 125 can be written as 5 power 3 bracket 2 by 3. Now we can take this power 3 common and send outside 3 by 5 bracket. The 3 shall be common. It will go outside and gets multiplied with 2 by 3. 3 of denominator and the 3 of numerator, they shall get cancelled. We shall get 3 by 5 bracket power 2. Now this 2 power 2 belongs to 3 as well as 5. Since 3 and 5 are inside the bracket, inside the same bracket. So this power 2 belongs to 3 as well as 5. So 3 square by 5 square. This 2 shall be of 3 as well as 5. So I wrote 3 square by 5 square. Now 3 square 9, 5 square 25. This is our answer. Okay, the next question, 32 by 243 bracket power 2 by 5. Now I have to remove this 5, that is this 5 should be cancelled. So we will convert 32 and 243 into the bases containing power 5. So 32, let's factorize 32. 2 16s are 32, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are. So 32 can be written as 2 power 5. So this 32 shall be 2 power 5 by 243. Let's factorize 243. Divide by 3. 3 8 is 24, 3 1 is 3. 3 27s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are. So 243 can be written as 3 power 5. So this 243 we write it as 3 power 5 bracket 2 by 5. Since these two bases have same power, so this power shall become common and we can take the power common outside. So 2 by 3, take the power common outside, 5 into 2 by 5. This power shall become common, it will go outside and multiply with 2 by 5. Now this 5 and this 5 shall get cancelled. The 5 in the denominator and this 5 in the numerator shall get cancelled. The 2 by 3 bracket power 2. This power 2 is the common power of 2 and 3. So 2 square 4, 3 square 9. So 4 by 9 is our answer. Okay, this can be done in this way also. After converting into the power 5, we can write in this way. 2 power 5 into this 5 shall multiply 2 by 5 by 3 power 5. Since this 2 by 5 belongs to this base as well as this base, so this power 5 shall multiply this 2 by 5. So 3 power 5 into 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 belongs to this base as well as this base. So it is taken by this power as well as this power. It is multiplied by this power as well as this power. So cancel the power, this 5 and this 5, this 5 and this 5. So 2 square by 3 square, 4 by 9. So you can do in this way also. Question number 7, simplify. Number A, 2 power 3 bracket again another power 3. So from the power law of indices, the power 3 and outside the power 3, they shall multiply with each other. So 2 power 3 into 3. So 2 power 9. This is our answer. Since the question I told us to simplify, but the power is too large, so we shall not simplify them. That is, we will not write the product of 2 power 9. We shall leave as it is. Now let's see here. Here also, these powers shall multiply with each other. 3 power 4 into 2 equal to 3 power 8. This question can be done by two processes. Let me do by first process. Bases are same, so according to the quotient law of indices, we shall solve them. Bases are same, so small power shall be subtracted from greater power. 5 power 7 minus 4 bracket, and outside there is power 3. So 5 power 7 minus 4, 3. 5 power 3 bracket 3. Now according to the power law of indices, these both powers shall multiply. 5 power 3 into 3 equal to 5 power 9. Now by another process. Since 5 power 7 and 5 power 4 are inside the same bracket, so this power 3 belongs to 5 power 7 as well as 5 power 4. So 5 power 7 into 3, this 3 will be multiplied with this power 7 as well as with this power 4 by 5 power 4 into 3. So 5 power 7 3 is 21 by 5 power 12 equal to 5 power 21 minus 12. Since the bases are same, and when same bases are divided, then the powers are subtracted. This 12 shall be subtracted from 21. So 5 power 21 minus 12 equal to 5 power 9. Now the next question. This also can be done by two ways. Let's do by first way. Since these two bases have same powers, so the same powers can be taken common. So 4 by 2 bracket. Now these powers are taken common as a single power. So power 3 into, it will go outside. That means this will become common and go outside and multiply with 4. Now I can cancel this 4 and 2. 2 to the 4. So 2 power 3 into 4. So if you don't like, then no need to keep this bracket. 2 power 3 4 the 12. Answer. Now let's do by next process. In this process, we shall convert this base 4 into the base 2. Since I have to get in the numerator as well as in the denominator the same base. Now 4 can be written as 2 power 2. And the 3 shall multiply this power 2 by 2 power 3. Let's see again. This 4 I have written as 2 power 2 and this power 3 has multiplied this power. So bracket, outside there is power 4. 2 power 2 3 is 6, 2 power 6 by 2 power 3 bracket power 4. Now here we can follow the quotient law of indices. That is, we can apply here the quotient law of indices. According to the quotient law of indices, when same bases are divided, then the smaller power is subtracted from the greater power. Equal to 2 power 6 minus 3 bracket power 4. So 2 power 3 bracket power 4. Now according to the power law of indices, these both powers can be multiplied. The power inside and the power outside can be multiplied. So I can write it as 2 power 3 into 4 equal to 2 power 12. Okay. The next question, 9 power 4 by 3 power 3 bracket power 2. Now I shall convert this base 9 into the base 3. I can write this 9 as 3 power 2. And this power 4 shall multiply this power 2 by 3 power 3 bracket power 2. 3 power 2 4 is 8 by 3 power 3 power 2. Here we got the same basis. Now we can follow here the quotient law of indices. Now this smaller power shall be subtracted from the greater power. 3 power 8 minus 3 bracket power 2. 3 power 5 bracket 2. Now we'll follow here the power law of indices. 3 power 5 into 2. 3 power 10. This question can be done by another process also. Let's see. This power 2 belongs to 9 power 4 as well as 3 power 3. So 9 power 4 shall multiply this power 2 as well as 3 power 3. The power of 3, that is the 3, shall multiply this 2. Let's see again. This power 2 belongs to this base, that is this term 9 power 4 as well as this term 3 power 3. So this power 4 shall multiply this 2 as well as this power 3 shall multiply this 2. So 9 power 4 into 2 by 3 power 3 into 2. Now we got 9 power 8 by 3 power 6. Now we shall convert this 9 into the base 3. So 9 can be written as 3 power 2. Since 9 is 3 square and this 8 shall multiply this power 2 by 3 power 6 equal to 3 power 16 by 3 power 6. We can follow here the quotient law of indices. The smaller power shall be subtracted from the greater power. 3 power 16 minus 6 equal to 3 power 10. This question is similar to the previous question. Here we shall convert this base 8 into the base 2, since I want to get the same base in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So 8 can be written as 2 power 3. And this power 2 shall multiply this power 3 by 2 power 9 bracket power 5 equal to 2 power 6 by 2 power 9 bracket power 5. Now we can follow here the quotient law of indices. Since there are same bases, so according to the quotient law of indices, the smaller power shall be subtracted from the greater power. So we shall write it as 1 by 2 power 9 minus 6 bracket power 5. 1 by 2 power 3 bracket power 5. This 5 belongs to 1 as well as 2 power 3. So 1 power 5, 1 by 2 power 3 into 5. So 1 by 2 power 15. This is our answer. Question number 8, simplify. A. 2 power 3 into 2 power 5 into 2 power 7 by 2 power 2 into 4 power 5. Let's say in the upper portion. In the upper portion, the bases are same, so we can add the power. 2 power 3 plus 5 plus 7 by. But in the denominator, the bases are different. But I can convert this 4, this base 4 into the base 2. So 2 power 2 into 4 can be written as 2 power 2 bracket, there is power 5 also. Now let's add the powers. 2 power 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. 2 power 15 by 2 power 2 into, follow here the product law of indices, 2 power 2 5s are 10. 2 power 15 by, here we can add the power since the bases are same and they are multiplied, and according to the product law of indices we can add the powers if the bases are same. So 2 power 2 plus 10, 2 power 15 by 2 power 12. Now we will follow here the quotient law of indices. Since there are same bases, so the powers are subtracted. Same bases are divided, so power is subtracted. The smaller power is subtracted from the greater power. 2 power 15 minus 12. 2 power 3. Since the question has told us to simplify, so 2 power 3 shall be written as 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 8. Similar to the previous question, here the bases are same, so we can add their powers. 3 power 4 plus 2 plus 6 by, here the bases aren't same, but I can convert this base 9 in the base 3. So 3 power 3 into 9 can be written as 3 power 2 bracket power 3. Now in this upper part, let's add the powers. 3 power 12 by 3 power 3 into, multiply the powers, 3 power 6 equal to 3 power 12 by, according to the product law of indices, we can add their powers since same bases are there. So 3 power 3 plus 6, 3 power 12 by 3 power 9. Follow here the quotient law of indices, 3 power 12 minus 9, 3 power 3. So 3 power 3 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 equal to 27. Or you can directly write here 3 power 3 equal to 27. It does not matter. Question C. As we can see that these all bases can be converted into the base 2. So we can write 4 as 2 power 2 bracket power 3 into 8 can be written as 2 power 3 bracket power 2 into 2 as it is by 2 power 7 into 16 can be written as 2 power 4 bracket power 2. Now follow the product law of indices, multiply the powers. 2 power 2 3 is 6 into 2 power 3 2 is 6 into 2 by 2 power 7 into 2 power 4 2 is 8 equal to. Now since the same bases are multiplying, so we can add their power according to the product law of indices. So 2 power 6 plus 6 plus 1 by, here also same bases are multiplying, so we can add their powers. 2 power 7 plus 8. So 2 power 6 plus 6 plus 1, 13 by 2 power 15. Now we will follow here the quotient law of indices. Since there are same bases, and when same bases are divided, we should subtract the power. So 13 is subtracted from power 15. 1 by 2 power 15 minus 13 equal to 1 by 2 power 2 equal to 1 by 2 power 2 can be written as 4. So 1 by 4 is our answer. Question number D. 27 square by 3 square into 25 power 3 by 5 power 9 into 5 by 3 bracket power 4. Now we shall convert this 27 into the base 3. 25 shall be converted into the base 5, and this we shall open the bracket. That we will do later on. So let's convert this 27 into the base 3. 27 can be written as 3 power 3 bracket 2 by 3 square into 25 can be written as 5 power 2, that is 5 square bracket 3 by 5 power 9 into, open the bracket. When the bracket is opened, this power 4 is taken by 5 as well as by 3. So 5 power 4 by 3 power 4 equal to 3 power 6. This power shall multiply according to the power law of indices. 3 power 6 by 3 power 2 into 5 power 2 3 is 6 by 5 power 9 into 5 power 4 by 3 power 4. Okay, let's see in the upper portion. In the upper portion, this 5 power 6 and 5 power 4 shall be operated. Now they are of same bases, and when same bases are multiplied, then their powers are added. This 3 power 6 shall remain silent for some time. 3 power 6 into 5 power 6 plus 4. Same bases, so we shall add the powers. By here in the lower portion, in the denominator, 3 power 2 into 3 power 4. Same bases are multiplied, so we shall add their powers, and 5 power 9 will sit for some times. So 3 power 2 plus 4 into 5 power 9 equal to 3 power 6 into 5 power 6 plus 4, 5 power 10 by 3 power 6 into 5 power 9. 3 power 6, 3 power 6. Now do not cut directly. Let's follow the laws of indices. Since the powers are same, so you can subtract any power from any. So 3 power 6, I shall subtract this from this. It is the same thing. 3 power 6 minus 6 into 5 power 10 divided by 5 power 9. Quotient law of indices, 5 power 10 minus 9. Here also we follow the quotient law of indices. Here also we follow the quotient law of indices. 3 power 6 minus 6, 0 into 5 power 1. Or simply we can write 5. Now 3 power 0 can be written as 1. From the law of zero index, we had studied that any base rising to the power 0 can be written as 1. So 1 into 5 we can write as 5. This is our answer. Question number E. Let's do this by simple way. Here we can see that the powers are same. So we can take these powers common. So 9 by 3 bracket, these powers became common and came outside and multiplied to another power which is outside. 2 into 2 into. Here also these powers are same. So here also we can take the powers common. 4 by 2 bracket 3 into 2 into. Here we can see that the base are same. So when the same bases are divided, then according to the quotient law of indices, we can subtract the powers. 3 power 3 minus 2 bracket power 2. Here we followed the quotient law of indices. And here we follow the power law of indices. We took the power common and we sent outside and multiplied to another power which is outside. Here also we took the powers common and sent outside and multiplied to another power which is outside. Now we can cancel here. 3 3 is a 9. Here also we can cancel. 2 2 is a 4. So 3 bracket 22 4. 3 power 4. Okay, no need to take this bracket. Into 2 power 3 to the 6 into 3 minus 2 1 power 1 into 2, so it will be 3 power 2. Here 3 power 4 into 3 power 2. Same bases, when they are multiplied, their powers are added. So I can write it as 3 power 4 plus 2 into 2 power 6. Since this 2 power 6 doesn't have another base 2, so it will remain as it is. So 3 power 6 into 2 power 6. Now these two bases have got the same powers, so they can be written in the, so we can take this base common. 3 into 2, we can write this 3 and 2 in the same bracket, taking the powers common. So 3 into 2, 6, 6 power 6. Okay, if you like, you can simplify, or you can simply write down 6 power 6 answer. Question number F. Now let's see in this part, here the bases are different as well as the powers are also different. Now we have to change this base 25 in the base 5. So 5 power 3 by 25 can be written as 5 power 2 into this remaining power 2. Whole bracket power 2 into, here the powers are common, so we can take these powers common and send outside. 8 by 4 bracket, now the powers became common and came outside and multiplied with 3 into, now open the bracket, 5 power 4 by 2 power 4 equal to 5 power 3 by 5 power 4 bracket power 2 into, here we can cancel them. 4 2 is 8, 2 bracket 2 into 3 6, or if you don't like, no need to keep bracket, just simply 2 power 6 into 5 power 4 by 2 power 4. Here either you can follow the quotient law of indices, or you can multiply this power 2 with this power 3 and power 4, since this power 2 belongs to this term as well as this term. So 5 power 3 into 2 by 5 power 4 into 2 into 2 power 6 into 5 power 4 by 2 power 4. Okay. Now 5 power 6 by 5 power 8 into 2 power 6 into 5 power 4 by 2 power 4. Now let's say in the upper portion, here 5 power 6 into 5 power 4. Follow the product law of indices. 5 power 6 plus 4. When same bases are multiplied, then their powers can be added into 2 power 6 by 5 power 8 into 2 power 4 into 2 power 4. 5 power 10 into 2 power 6 by 5 power 8 into 2 power 4. Same bases are divided. Now we will follow the quotient law of indices. Here also the same bases are divided. Here also we can follow the quotient law of indices. So 5 power 10 minus 8 into 2 power 6 minus 4 equal to 5 power 2 into 2 power 2. Now these two bases have got the same powers. So we can write them in the same bracket. 5 into 2 bracket power 2. 5 into 2, 10, 10 square. 10 square can be written as 10 into 10, which is 100. This is our answer. Question number 9, simplify. Here we can see that same bases are multiplied. And when same bases are multiplied, then we can add their powers. So let's write x power a plus b minus a minus b. Plus a minus a will be cancelled. Plus b minus b will be cancelled. Now there is no any power left. So we will write it x power 0. Some students they write x power 1. It's totally wrong. Never do it. And as we know that any base rising power 0 is equal to 1 according to the law of zero index. So this is our answer. The next question, it is similar to the previous one. Here also same bases are multiplied, and when same bases are multiplied we can add their powers. X power a plus b plus a minus b minus 2a. Plus b minus b can be cancelled. X power a plus a 2a minus 2a. Plus 2a minus 2a again cancelled. Now x power 0. And as we know that any base rising power 0 would be equal to 1. This is our answer. The next question, it is also similar to the previous one, but here at first the powers should be multiplied. Power a will multiply b minus c, power b shall multiply c minus a, and here power c will multiply a minus b. So x power a into b, ab minus a into c, ac into x power b into c, bc minus b into a, ab into x power c into a, ca minus c into b, bc equal to, we can see that same bases are multiplied, and when same bases are multiplied then their powers can be added. So x power ab minus ac plus bc minus ab plus ca minus bc. Now let's see, plus ab and minus ab will get cancelled. Minus ac and plus ac, ca and ac they are same thing. Plus bc and minus bc get cancelled. So x power, no any power is left, so we can write x power 0, which is equal to 1. Question number E. Here we can see that same bases are multiplied, and when same bases are multiplied then we can add their powers. X power a plus b plus b plus c plus c plus a by, here in the denominator also the same bases are being multiplied, we can add their powers. X power 2a plus 2b plus 2c equal to x power a plus a 2a plus b plus 2b plus c plus 2c by x power 2a plus 2b plus 2c. We can see that same bases are being divided. Then according to the quotient law of indices, we can subtract the powers. Okay, since the powers are same, so you can subtract any power from any power. Equal to, okay, I shall subtract these powers 2a plus 2b plus 2c from this power. X power 2a plus 2b plus 2c this plus 2a shall become subtracted, minus 2a, plus 2b will become minus 2b when it will go to become subtracted, plus 2c shall become minus 2c. Let's see, plus 2a minus 2a get cancelled, plus 2b minus 2b cancelled, plus 2c minus 2c cancelled. X power 0, which is equal to 1. Question number F, let's see here. Here these powers and these powers are multiplied. Similarly, here also these powers and these powers are multiplied. Here also these powers and these powers are multiplied. Let's see, x power 2 into a, 2a plus 2 into b, 2b, into x power 2 into b, 2b plus 2 into c, 2c, into x power 2 into c, 2c plus 2 into a, 2a, by. Here inside the bracket, same bases are multiplied. So according to the product law of indices, we will add the powers of these bases. X power a plus b plus c. So outside there is power 4. Same bases, so we shall add the power x power 2a plus 2b plus 2b plus 2c plus 2c plus 2a by x. Outside there is power 4 and inside there are powers a plus b plus c. So this power 4 shall multiply these powers. So it will be x power a into 4, 4a plus b into 4, 4b plus c into 4, 4c equal to x power 2a plus 2a, 4a plus 2b plus 2b, 4b plus 2c plus 2c, 4c by x power 4a plus 4b plus 4c. Now same bases are divided, and when same bases are divided, we shall follow the quotient law of indices. Let's see. This power will go up and become subtracted with this power. So x power 4a plus 4b plus 4c minus this plus 4a, when it will go up to become subtracted, it will be minus 4a, plus 4b will be minus 4b, and plus 4c will be minus 4c. Plus 4a and minus 4a cancelled, plus 4b minus 4b cancelled, plus 4c and minus 4c cancelled. X power 0. X power 0 is equal to 1. Question number 10a. If x equal to 2, y equal to 3, then we have to find the value of x power y. That is, the value of x and the value of y we will keep here, and we have to find out its value. So the value of x is 2. The value of y is 3. 2 power 3. 2 power 3 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 8. Let's see the next question. Similarly, the value of y is 3. The value of x is 2. 3 square, 3 into 3 equal to 9. Okay, the next question. X power y power 2. Here you might make mistake by multiplying this y and 2. Actually, this 2 is the power of y and y is the power of x. This question and this question, they are entirely different. Here 2 is the power of x as well as y is the power of x. Here in this case you can multiply this power y and power 2. You can write y into 2. But here you cannot multiply this power and this y. Since 2 is the power of y and y is the power of x. That is power's power. So let's see. Put the value of x 2 power, the value of y 3 power 2. Here 3 square is 9. 2 power 9 equal to, multiply 2 9 times, which is equal to 512. Similar to the previous question, y power x, x power 2. That is 2 is the power of x and x is the power of y. So this 2 and x cannot be multiplied. Put the value of y and x. The value of y 3, the value of x 2, the power 2. So 2 power 2 will be 4. So 3 power 4. 3 power 4 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, which is equal to 81. Question number 10b. If a equal to 5, b equal to 2, find the value of a power b. Put the value of a 5, value of b 2. So 5 square can be written as 5 into 5 equal to 25. The next question, b power a. Put the value of b 2, the value of a 5, 2 power 5, it can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 32. 2 power a, okay, 2 power 8, the value of a is 5, so 2 power 5, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 32. Here 3 power b, 3, the value of b is 2, 3 square, 3 into 3 equal to 9. Question number 10c. If x equal to 2 power a and y equal to 2 power b, then we have to show that x into y equal to 2 power a plus b. The value of x is given 2 power a, the value of y is given 2 power b. Then by putting the value of x and y, we have to show that their product will be equal to 2 power a plus b. Let's see. X equal to 2 power a, y equal to 2 power b. Taking left hand side, which is xy, the value of x 2 power a into the value of y 2 power b. When same bases are multiplied, then we can add their powers, 2 power a plus b. So we got our right hand side equal to right hand side proved. Question number 10d. If x equal to 3 power a plus b and y equal to 3 power minus bracket a plus b, then we have to show that x into y equal to 1. Let's see. The value of x is given 3 power a plus b. The value of y is given 3 power minus bracket a plus b. Take left hand side xy. Put the value of x 3 power a plus b into the value of y 3 power minus bracket a plus b. When same bases are multiplied, then we can add their powers, 3 power a plus b minus bracket a plus b equal to 3 power a plus b minus sign outside the bracket will change the sign inside the bracket, minus a minus b, plus a minus a cancelled, plus b minus b cancelled, 3 power 0, and 3 power 0 is equal to 1 according to the law of zero index. So this is our RHS proved. Okay, today only up to this much. I'll be back soon with my next video. Till then, be safe, take care, bye bye.